Hi guys, so it's just a late night one because I finally got the alternator out after quite a struggle. I tried to get it out from underneath the car like the C-Class, but it wouldn't work even though it's the same engine. So what I had to do was take out this pipe here just to give me access. I think that wasn't necessary. However, I had to move some water pipes and coolant pipes, so I disconnected this one. I disconnected this one here, just move that out of the way. Then I moved the shroud, the fan shroud, which is that there. I found this quite difficult to move, remove, but what you have to do is you put a screwdriver here and one on the other side, and you pry it open and then you pull it at the same time and it should pop out. And then these are the tabs for the shroud, so you just pull them open and pull it upwards. You would disconnect the fan from here, and you would also disconnect the top thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's this unit here. So you would disconnect that using that, and then I disconnected all these as well. Then the other thing would be obviously underneath all the 4 bolts. So these are the 4 bolts that go in into the alternator and that hold the alternator. I also removed, for easier access, this plate. This is the main plate underneath that holds the steering rack. Excuse the mess in the garage. So I've opened the alternator just to have a look. As you can see, the brushes are quite knackered. The car's on 182,000 miles. The slip ring is absolutely knackered. As you can see, it's quite badly grooved. The bearing's okay. Made in Poland, and it's lasted quite a while. Generally, I mean, the main part of the alternator looks fine, but the electric components do need replacing, so that would mean that would need replacing. This would need pulling off with a bearing puller. To change the brushes, this is the regulator. What you would do is drill this, and then these would come out with a little spring. You push the new ones in, then you'd have to weld and weld. So it's quite complicated for someone that's not done it before. I mean, this is my first time doing it. I thought I'd give it a go. I did save myself about £200 in labour. I didn't think it'd be such a big job. However, you know, it's worked, and hopefully I'll be putting it all back together again once I've got the new alternator tomorrow. So good night for now.